So the Samsung Galaxy S10 is something that has surfaced a lot of leaks lately. The company has stepped into the performance zone with S10 Plus, which is now expected to offer crazy specs. The device will have 12 gigs of RAM and 1 terabytes of internal storage. And yeah, it's the most advanced version of S10 Plus that will be available everywhere. In addition to this, it will admire a ceramic back, which is appreciable for a phone like this. I mean, Samsung has never done this before, and this whole approach will highlight the S10's future. When we talk about the overall engineering of S10 Plus, Universe says that Samsung has made this thing more durable. Also, as a result of the ceramic, the device will feel heavier. We also have a teaser for the Unpacked event that looks like a confirmation for the features we have talked about. The quad camera setup at the back, dual cameras on the front, a slim bezel view, and the battery. The Galaxy F is also a part of this Unpacked event, and for a combined confirmation, Samsung has posted a picture which kind of teases the F and S10. Evleaks has shared a case render of the upcoming S series. The picture shows the S10e with a hole-in display tag, flat screen design and a dual camera setup, while the S10 and S10 Plus admires a curved screen design with a hole-in display at the top right corner and the much rumored triple camera setup. In a teardown of the latest Samsung Pay app, XDA developers have found some references to an in-display fingerprint scanner. This technology is in the rumors for a good time, and now we have finally collected a true information. Some days before we talked about this report that suggests no charging speed improvement for the S10 lineup. I totally believed it, as it's present on China's 3C certification website with the same charging specifications we are having on the current Samsung flagships. But according to a new information, the Galaxy S10 will surely have faster charging speed. The rumored wattage is 22.5 watt, and the only thing that doesn't give good hopes is the previous reports, as it's also based on a solid information. The only explanation that doesn't contradict with this report is maybe Galaxy S10 will not offer fast charging out of the box. That means you'll have to buy a separate power brick which works according to these rumors. At the same time, I'm not sure about this, and I hope that I'm wrong, because I don't want Samsung to follow Apple. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.